Dear students, today I will start to teach you revision work. To guide you the revision work, I will test first. First of all, I read the first paragraph of lesson first, the portrait of lady. Telling the meaning into Hindi, I will put up some questions from the paragraph and tell you the correct answer, how to choose the correct answer from paragraph, from the topic, and I will guide you how to write the correct answer. The first paragraph of the first lesson is, my grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. मेरी दादी माँ सभी लोगों की दादी माँ की तरह एक बूढ़ी महिला थी. She had been old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. 20 वर्ष में जब से मैंने उन्हें देखा था, वह बूढ़ी थी और झुर्रियों से, उसके चेहरे पे झुर्रियाँ पड़ी थी, झुर्रियों से जो है भरी हुई. People said that she had once been young. लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि वो कभी नौजवान थी, pretty सुंदर थी, and had even had husband, और उनके अपना कोई हस्बैंड. But that was hard to believe. लेकिन इस बात पर विश्वास करना मेरे लिए जो है बड़ा मुश्किल था. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. मेरे दादा का चित्र अंगीठी के ऊपर बैठक वाले रूम में जो है लटका हुआ था. He wore a big turban, वे एक बड़ी पगड़ी पहनते थे, and loose fitting clothes, और ढीले ढाले कपड़े. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest. उनकी लंबी सफ़ेद दाढ़ी उनके सीने के पूरे भाग को जो है लगभग ढके हुए. And he looked at least 100 years old. देखने में वे लगभग 100 वर्ष के जो है प्रतीत होते थे. At least means कम से कम, देखने में कम से कम 100 वर्ष के प्रतीत होते थे. He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. वे ऐसे नहीं लगते थे जिनकी पत्नी तथा बच्चे हों. He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren. वे तो ऐसे लगते थे कि जिनके केवल बहुत से पोते पोतियाँ हों. Lots and lots मतलब है बहुत. As for my grandmother being young, जहाँ तक मेरी दादी के लिए नौजवान और सुंदर होने की बात है, यंग एंड प्रीटी, द थॉट वाज ऑलमोस्ट रिवोल्टिंग. हाँ, वह मेरे लिए जो है एक घृणात्मक विचार थी. मेरे निगाहों में यह एक घृणापूर्ण विचार था. शी ऑफन टोल्ड अस ऑफ द गेम्स शी यूज्ड टू प्ले एज ए चाइल्ड. बचपना में वो जो खेल खेलती थी, उस खेल का जिक्र हमसे हमेशा करती थी. That seemed quite absurd and undignified. That seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part. उनके लिए ऐसा करना मूर्खता और अपमानजनक प्रतीत होता था. And we treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us. तथा हम उन्हें ऐसा ही मानते थे जैसा कि वे हमें धर्मगुरुओं के विषय में कथाएं सुनाया करती थी. प्रॉफिट्स मतलब है पैगंबर, फेबल्स मतलब पौराणिक गाथाएं. जिस तरह से वे हमको पैगंबरों की पौराणिक गाथाएं सुनाया करती थी, ये सब हमको उसी तरह से जो है प्रतीत होता था. नाउ I asked question from this paragraph. The question is, what did the people say? What did the people say about man? There will be four answers, but one of them will be correct. What did people say about man? First, once he had been pretty young and pretty. First answer, first you can. She was ugly. She was merciless. Fourth answer, she was a great musician. There are two options are discussed. First, once she had been young and pretty. Second, she was ugly. Third, she was merciless. And fourth option is she was a great musician. On the basis of the meaning of the paragraph, we come to the correct answer. Once she had been young and pretty. You have to give the correct mark to the correct answer. In the same way, the second question is, first option chicken, then the return दूसरा व्यंजन निर्भर In this way, there are four options for this question. Who had long white beard? Grandfather, friend of the narrator, stranger, the neighbor of the narrator. On the basis of reading of this paragraph, we come to conclusion that grandfather of the narrator had long beard. Now, the third question, please. What did grandmother of him till then? First answer is able secret news heritage and hope. The games he used to play while a child. When you study the paragraph, when you read the paragraph and understand the meaning clearly, the answer of this question is clear. What did grandmother of him tell them? Option: tables, secret news, heritage, the game she used to play as a child. The correct answer is the game she used to play as a child. In this way, I want to make you understand that the proper answer of the question depends on your understanding of the paragraph. Unless you understand the meaning of the paragraph into Hindi, you cannot write the proper answer of the question. That's why, first of all, read the paragraph clearly and search out the answer. That's all.